Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we talk about how the words we use affect the lives that we live. I'm Scott Sery, and I'm a copywriter and a lover of how we can tweak one or two words in our message and dramatically change the outcome. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Sery Content Development. So today we're going to talk about your website and the most visited page on that website and why it probably kinda sucks. If you look at the analytics for your website, the About Us or About Me page, or sometimes it's just called the About page, is one of the most, if not the most visited page on your website. The reason is because people want to know who they're talking to, who they're reading about, who they're going to potentially buy from. They want to get to know who you are so they can trust you to give you their money. The problem with these websites, though, the problem with these About Us pages is they're all about you. It kind of doesn't make sense to make an About Us page that's not about you. The problem is the way that they're worded. When you word an About Us page that says something along the lines of, I'm Scott, I'm great, I write, I do this, I do that, I like me, I want you to like me. It's all about me, which automatically puts up this barrier to the reader. They're like, that's great, I'm on your website, I know it's all about you, but what's in it for me? As if you watched one of my previous videos, you know that you need to ask every single time, what's in it for me, from the client's standpoint. So your About Us page should be all about the client, but kind of wrapped up in a way that you're doing all the work to make the client look awesome. It takes a little bit of time, a little bit of finesse, but you can do it. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott, brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and Sery Content Development. I hope that you found something inspirational and educational that you can apply to your business. If you're having a little trouble with it, just click the links in the description below and we're happy to help. As usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. That way you get notifications every day of these new tips and tricks with Say It with Scott.